Okay, good morning, everyone. Dear distinguished attendees, ladies and gentlemen, and dear friends of the European Microwave Integrated Circuits Conference. It's a great honor and, of course, a great pleasure for me to welcome you here in the opening ceremony of the 18th European Microwave Conference. I hope you all had a safe travel so you can enjoy the upcoming Microwave Week. My name is Friedel Dörfers, and I'm your European Microwave Conference Chair this year. And of course, in order to assemble a great conference, you need a great team. So therefore, I have, of course, some help from Uli Lewak. He is our TPC chair this year. And in a couple of minutes, he will give us insights about the paper statistics and, of course, some TPC details. And of course, I need also a very good conference co-chair, which is this year Corrado Corta. And of course, I would like to thank them deeply because during the course of this conference, they were essential for creating a good conference. So please give them a hand. And of course, we are able, and we have really two great industrial talks. The first one is given by Dr. Ludwig Verweyne, and we will talk about communication and the latest trends. And the title is RF Power and Sensor Solutions for Greener ICT Networks. In the second talk, which is given by Christian Selgar, he will show us some latest ideas and solutions for radar systems. And the title is Transceivers for Automotive Radar Sensors, Status and Trends. And of course, I would like to also give you for tomorrow a sneak preview and outlook. So tomorrow, Professor Reibitz will start with an academic view on communication, with his title, Leaving the Marconi Era and Entering the Directive Communication and Sensor Era for 5G, 6G, and SATCOM. And finally, of course, it's also interesting to see a little bit about the technology development. So therefore, Dr. Costa from GlobalFoundries, he will highlight RF CMOS developments and the latest achievement with his talk about RF SOI technology for RF front ends, then, now, and tomorrow. And of course, we received a really nice amount of publications, and not only that, but also excellent quality. So therefore, we would like to honor these great publications with the European Microwave Conference Prize, as well as the Young Engineer Prize. Both prizes are sponsored by IHP Solutions, and they will be handed over tomorrow. And of course, these papers are reviewed by the awards committee. Not only that, we have also 3 contributions for the Tom Brazil Fellowship, which will be supported and funded by the GAS Association. Again, thank you so much for both sponsors, so please give them a hand. So for the conference, I would like to give next a brief overview and highlight a couple of sessions which could be of interest for you. So starting with the Foundry session. So the Foundry session was typically part of the closing session, but we found that this is actually a key session, so therefore we put this as a dedicated session right in front of the closing session tomorrow. It will take place here in this room. So, and I would like to thank Paolo and Wolfgang for a great assembly of this session. And the session this time will focus on the European Chip Act and, of course, the impact on the foundries. A key point, which is mentioned, of course, here, this session is the only session which is open to everyone, meaning for attendees, exhibitors, and, of course, visitors. So please join this conference on this session for the technology overview. And, of course, I guess we all in academia face the problem with students and graduate students being not available because in our field it's very tough to get them. So therefore, what we try to do here is to appreciate the students and graduate students with this special student career event, which starts at noontime tomorrow. And of course, we are not only have a session in order to, let's say, attract them, we have also assembled a great evening event which will start in the Kulturbrauerei at 7 p.m. And of course, you can see how many industry partners are interested, and that shows that graduate students are really key, not only for industry, but also for academia. And finally, of course, I would like to invite everyone to tomorrow's EuMIC dinner, which will take at a very historic Meistersaal. So therefore, if you're, please come to the buses. So there's a bus transport to the Meistersaal directly in front of the Hub 27. Only make sure you are entering the right bus, because there are several different bus shuttles. So therefore, please make sure you're checking the EuMIC dinner bus shuttle. Also, please make sure you pick up a dinner ticket, because we have limited seating. Dinner tickets are available at the registration front desk. And of course, you can have a choice of a non-vegetarian or vegetarian dinner option here. And of course, I would like to thank our sponsors again, especially Infineon, for a great sponsoring, including also NXP and the Gas Association. So therefore, again, thanks so much, and give them also a hand for funding the dinner. Okay, so next I would like to hand over the presentation to Uli. He will give us a little bit insight about the statistics of the EuMIC paper selection. Uli?
So warm welcome again to EuMIC conference. And what's a conference without papers, presentations? And this year we are very happy. We received the highest number of submissions since 2016. And we could put together a great EuMIC with 154 submissions and 99 acceptance, and we have an acceptance rate of 64%. So thank you very much. This thank goes to you. So we put together 17 sessions with 2 focus sessions, focusing on 6G terahertz communication in 2 parts. So it's one topic, but we had so many contributions that it's 2 sessions. We have joined EuMIC and EuMC sessions. One focus session focusing on next generation integrated technologies in sub-terahertz wireless communication, and the foundry session. And we also have one dedicated EuMIC poster session and one joint EuMIC and EuMC poster session, which will take place in the breaks tomorrow. And we will have 5 industrial keynotes, one in each of the central topic areas of the conference. So we received a lot of papers, and the trending topic is almost like every year power amplifiers, but this year we also received an exceptional amount of LNA papers, also a lot of gallium nitride-based LNA papers, and one of the upcoming trends is obviously integrated circuits for focusing on phased array design, core chip design. And we have the point is that a lot of papers are in section 20, so there are a lot of millimeter wave ICs coming in, a lot of contributions. So again, thank you very much. Yeah, and a little bit statistic. This is not only a EuMIC, that's for the microwave week itself. We see outstanding number from Germany, and it's a very international conference. I only put, of course, there are also other countries, but to have it more visible, it's the countries with more than 10 paper contributions, and the 10 most contributions from the countries are the flags, and you can see that only 4 countries out of 10 are from EU. So it's very international conference. So again, thank you for your papers, and thank you that you are here, that we can meet in person in Berlin. And with this, I can hand over again to Friedel.
Thank you, Uli, for the nice overview.